American Standard Circuits presents PCB Technology, a 77-second webinar series. SAP and MSAP. The semi-additive process, or SAP, and modified semi-additive process, MSAP, have been established manufacturing techniques for some time, and together they have pushed achievable line width and space capability down into the 1 to 3 mil range. MSAP originated within the IC substrate industry, where extremely fine features were already a necessity, and has since proliferated throughout PCB manufacturing shops as a way to produce HDI products with tighter tolerance than traditional subtractive methods allow. Both SAP and MSAP rely on a thin layer of base copper applied to the substrate, typically between 2 and 5 microns, to achieve these line width reductions, still working from a clad starting point, just with less copper to etch away than conventional processes. However, pushing below 1 micron requires a fundamental change in the starting material, the ultra-thin 0.2 micron layer of liquid ink used in the fully additive ASAP process, which eliminates base copper etching limitations entirely.